Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from DOOGEE S100 to an Android device. Firstly, just go into Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Nextly, to use it, you need to set it up. Just click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Click on Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of DOOGEE. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. From here, you can go back to DOOGEE device and using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times to access your files. When you're done, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you wish to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Allow camera access in the pop-up and just point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers, and last but not least, connect by hitting Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!